Hi students, today we are going to learn remaining part of 4th number lesson, the northern mountains and the northern plains. So last video we had learned the northern mountains. Now we are going to learn next point, it is the Himalayan mountains. So in that point we are going to learn about Himalayan mountains, its specification, distance and parts. So let us know about it. The Himalayas is a majestic mountain range. So Himalaya is a majestic mountain range. It is just like a magic. It is the highest mountain range in the world. So Himalaya, that mountain range, it is present in our India and it is highest mountain range in the world. It extends for about 2400 km from east to west. So this Himalayan range, it is spread from east to west, 2400 kilometers distance. It is from east to west, and its wide varies from 400 kilometer in Kashmir, and if we are thinking about its width, it is a 400 kilometer from here to here, and it is in Kashmir, to 150 kilometer in the northeast. And if you are going to come in the northeast part, here 150 kilometer distance or wide, that Himalayan range is present here in the northeast part. This is northeast, between east and north, that middle part is called the northeast, and that width is 150 kilometer. So in India, it stretches in the curve from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So Himalayan range, it is stretched from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So this part is only Himalayan range spread from east to west. Then thus separating India and China through a natural boundary. And there is a Himalayan range, it is just like a wall between China and India. So it is a natural boundary, natural wall, it is present between China and India. Some of the highest peaks in the world are in Himalaya. So in the world there are highest peak. So some are present in our India. It is present in Himalayan range. So we are going to learn about its height and location in this table. So you can look in that table, name of the peak. First, Everest. It is altitude, means its height 8,848 meter high. It is present in Nepal. And Kanchenjunga, that highest peak, also present in our India, and its height is 8,586 meter high. So its altitude is 8 kilometer and 586 meter high. That mountain peaks are there. So it is a very high mountain present in our India. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges. So if you are thinking, the Himalayan ranges are somewhere high, somewhere mild, somewhere lower. So all the mountains are not same. So that parallel range we are going to learn. First one, the Great Himalayas called Himadri has an average height of 6000 meter and is the highest range in the Himalaya. So somewhere the Great Himalayas called means very high mountains are there in this region, that is called Himadri, and its that mountain's height is from bottom to top 6000 meter, means 6 kilometer height it is there, and in this high range mountains are only present in Himalaya. Second number, the middle or lesser Himalayas. So middle one mountains are called Himachal. When we are going to the area of Himachal, there is mid-range mountains we can look, lies to south of Himadri. If we are going to Himadri's south side, that Himachal we can look, and has a average height of 3700 to 4500 meter high mountains we can look in Himachal. So when we are going to in Himachal, in that part we can look the height of the mountains around 3700 to 4500 meter high mountains. So third number, the outer Himalayas. If you are going to beside of Himalaya, all the part or southernmost range of the Himalayas are known as the Shivalik. If we are going to south side of this Himalaya, so we can look Shivalik mountains. It is present Himalayas south side. The average height here is from 900 to 1200 meter high mountains we can look there. Means there is a lower range mountains we can look as compared to the Himadri. Himadri's mountains are so high. If you are going to Himachal, that mountains are middle range height mountains, and if you are going to Shivalik, there is a lower range mountains we can look. These three parts we are going to look in this Himalaya and Himalayan range. So that three detailed parts we are going to learn in the next video. So we are going to stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.